Hello, Fabric community. Welcome to the February edition of the Fabric Monthly Update. My name is Patrick LeBlanc, Principal Program Manager for Microsoft Fabric.
Hello, I'm Sweta Mannepalli, Senior Product Marketing Manager at Microsoft. Before we get into the monthly update, Patrick, we want to share all the excitement around Microsoft Fabric Conference from March 30th to April 3rd at Las Vegas. If you haven't already done that, please register at the earliest to reserve your spot. It's a great way to get immersive learning experience with hundreds of sessions with all things data and AI and Microsoft Fabric. Now let's get into our monthly updates, Patrick.
All right, before we get into the updates, just a quick thing before we get into the updates, Sweta. If you're at FabCon, you get to meet Sweta and I. So come by and say hello, right? Adam will be there too, I promise, all right? And also, this is a new format for us and we're trying out new things. And if you have any questions, if you have any feedback to us, we're listening. Be sure to post it in the comments below. Also, we're gonna show some demos later. If there's things that you wanna learn about and you want us to do demos on, be sure to post that in the comments below. Let's kick off our update with OneLake. We have two exciting updates for OneLake Catalog. We're simplifying permission management right within OneLake Catalog. Now you can view and control access to items directly from the catalog, streamlining the process and making it more efficient than ever. We're also excited to preview a centralized data governance experience in the OneLake catalog. Now, data owners can easily access insights about their items, get helpful tips, improve governance, and access all the tools Fabric offers, all from one single place. Now, this is exciting.
You know what, Patrick? I am particularly excited about this feature because dealing with fragmented data can be quite challenging. I love that we can now manage, govern all our data in one centralized location. It's going to make a huge difference. Let's talk about what's new in data engineering, Patrick. To get the full list of features and updates, check out the February monthly blog, link in the description below. Take it away, Patrick.
We have some exciting news about the updates to the T-SQL notebook. We've added a new T-SQL category inside the notebook code snippet library. This is something I'm super excited about. Now you can easily find a list of all your T-SQL code templates for different use cases. Sweta, you may not have known this, but I've been writing T-SQL since the 1900s. It's exciting, right? And also with Git integration, you can now easily commit your T-SQL code and the links between your notebook and the warehouse into a Git repo for history tracker. Now, this is huge because now those notebooks, everyone was writing notebooks with Python and PySpark and things like that. Now I can taking the T-SQL notebooks and put those under version control. Next up, Sweta, what do we have for data science?
Patrick, if you notice, there's a lot happening in the AI skills area. And what's super cool is that now in Fabric, the AI skill supports multiple data sources, making data exploration even easier. You can add up to 5 sources, choose the tables you need, and ask questions in natural language. I just love that we're making it very easy for our users to work with natural language, intertwined with Fabric across all the features. Now, we also have AI functions in Fabric coming this month. These functions make it easy to enrich text data in notebooks. With just one single line of code, you can translate customer reviews, analyze call log sentiments, and more using built-in LLM endpoints. Now that's super cool. And next up, for data warehouse, Patrick, I see a ton of features. Out of all these features, can you pick a couple and share your thoughts on why these are important and why anybody should take a note of?
It's a tough one, Sweta, but let me try to pick just a couple. First, I'm going to start with bulk insert. The Fabric Data Warehouse provides capabilities to use this well-known SQL Server bulk insert statement for loading data from external files. Imagine this, you have these CSV files that's in an external storage like ADLS Gen 2, and you have a different type of row terminator or a field terminator or something like that. This feature allows you to use the same code that you use in SQL Server for warehouses for loading data. I think this is really, really exciting, but my favorite feature is something that we've been doing in Synapse for years and years and years. Open row set. You can now read Parquet and CSV files directly from the Fabric Data Warehouse and SQL endpoints using the open row set function. Back in the day, when I was doing a lot of ETL, this was pivotal in me getting access to those files because sometimes they weren't on my SQL server, and I can use an open row set to do that. Also, I remember when I heard about this ELT, I was so confused. Why would I do transformation before loading? But with open row set, it is a typical thing. So we have real-time intelligence next. Swetha, I see my favorite word, latency. What's this new feature all about?
Patrick, who doesn't like low latency, especially if it's tied to efficiency and reduced costs? Evenhouse now has a smart feature that groups incoming data to Parquet files, which are better for analysis. Now, this is helpful when dealing with small continuous data streams, as writing small files individually can be costly and also slow. Evenhouse can now delay those writes if there isn't enough data to create the right sized Parquet files. This helps ensure the files are properly sized and follow best practices, balancing both the fast data access with the cost and performance. So I love this latency feature. Our next stop is databases, Patrick.
Sure, let's dive into it. The Performance Dashboard and SQL Database on Microsoft Fabric is a handy tool for spotting and fixing performance issues. It gives you a detailed look at key metrics like CPU usage, user connection, and requests per second. With features like automatic indexing, it's a must-have for database administrators and developers to keep things running smoothly and efficiently. That's all for this month. And as we work through this new process, please share your thoughts and let us know what you think. Also, if you would like to see a demo on any of these items that we didn't touch on, please share that, you know where, in the comments below. In addition, please visit our Fabric Community Forum at aka.ms/Fabric Community. It's the best place for you to connect with others and get answers to your question. All your feedback is important to us. We're listening. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you like this video and give us a big thumbs up. As always, from Swetha, Microsoft, and this guy, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next month.